everyone, Paul Akers. I want to go over probably one of the most amazing products that FastCap has ever developed. That would be the third hand. This is a great system for holding up crown molding, for making dust barriers, for holding and supporting cabinets. It's a great family of products, and here's the details regarding it. Number one, you want it to go up, you simply pump like that. If you want to go up fast, you push up on that, or you can go down, up or down. Next, if you want to extend the red poles, there are two ball detents. You hold your two fingers there, press, and hold on the upper part right there and pull it in and out. See the black line right there? That black line lines up in the ball detent hole, telling you right where it will click in. If you don't want it to click in, turn it so the line does not show and go up and down, and it will never click in. When you want it to click in, turn it so the line is exposed and it will click in. At the bottom is a micro adjust. This allows you to tighten and tension it just by spinning the pole when the pole is compressed. The last detail, every third hand comes with two articulating feet that go on this ball mount. They pop on and off the top and bottom, but you also get an additional foot. This is called a dust barrier foot. And so people are sometimes mystified why we did all this. Let me explain. This is a dust barrier foot. It goes on over the ball detent, but of course it's wobbly. To compensate for that, we give you a C-clip, which clips onto there like this. Then when you put that in there like that, notice how it's not wobbling anymore. For me, what I do is I just leave that C-clip on so I never lose it, and it's just sitting there just like this, always ready to go. If I want to pop my dust barrier foot on, I put it on, and I'm good to go. What is the dust barrier foot for? Well, you have that little washer there and a magnet underneath. You take your plastic when you're making your dust barrier, you put it on there like this, then you put the washer on there, and guess what? It holds that plastic on there. So now when you're pumping this up or lifting it up to the ceiling, that plastic's not coming off and it's secure, so you can stretch it out and make a great dust barrier door. The mainstay is the third hand. It goes basically from 5 foot to 12. You can see it right here. This is fully extended. This is completely compacted right there. Then we have the upper hand, which is great for supporting upper cabinets. This is how high it is. This is how low it is. Then we have the little hand, also for upper cabinets. This is how high it is. This is how low it is. These are the actual specs on it. So the little hand, 16 to 22 basically, the upper hand, 28 to 60, and the third hand, 57 to 144. Now that you know that, you can buy each one of the three different products in a single pack right here, or a twin pack with a bag. Or you can buy the upper hand in a single or a twin pack with a bag, or you can buy the third hand, the most popular, in a single pack, in a double pack, or in a contractor pack, by far the most popular, with a carrying bag, all the accessories, the large universal feet. You basically get the whole enchilada here. This is by far our biggest seller. This is called the disposal jack. This is for holding up your garbage disposal when you're installing it. It's very low profile. Look how that jacks up like that. It's very, very cool and a great product. Now, in addition to that, we have something called the EMT kit. So some people might want to make their own custom third hand. So we give you the pump mechanism and the feet. You go down to Home Depot, Lowe's, your electrical contractor, get some 1-inch conduit, and then you can connect them together and make any size you want. That EMT kit comes just like this. It comes with the pump mechanism, the universal feet, the feet on the bottom, and the connector right there. You can also take two third hands and connect them together to go up to 24 feet, and this is called the connector kit right here, and it comes with a injection molded joint that holds it together, as well as a support pole that goes in between the two to make it stiff and rigid. So we have a lot of cool things. We also have the roller top, which comes with a tripod like this right here. So this is it on the shelf. You can see it. You get your roller top, you get a tripod, and an upper hand, so for a runoff for your table saw, or your miter box saw, or something like that. But then in addition to all that, we have the LaserJamb system. This is a third hand with a magnetic laser mount that just clips on just like that. But you have this little joint here for the poles to slip inside of. But on the LaserJamb system, it's a threaded connector, so the actual laser mount can slide past the whole connector. And another big advantage of the LaserJamb system, the third hand LaserJamb system, if you will, is that it comes in this beautiful carrying case, and all the pipes and all the accessories are all here, including the tape measure, the tripod, a place to put your laser, the magnetic mount. Everything goes in this beautiful case, and you're set and ready to go. Let me show you how cool the tape measure system is. So this is our auto lock tape measure right here. It clips onto there just like this, and then you bring the tape measure down like this, and because it's auto lock, it just stays down the ground. Well, the reason why that's so important is you turn your laser now towards that, and it tells you exactly the height that the laser is shooting. So it's a calibrated precision system that's really easy to use, and it's absolutely awesome. The magnetic laser mount, you can buy it separately and you can use it on your standard third hand, or you can buy a third hand LaserJamb system, which comes with the entire system as well. A couple other things you should know. We've got some great accessories for all the third hand family of products. This is a pipe adapter. Let's say you're holding conduit up to a ceiling. This would just plug it with your third hand and allow you to support the pipe in there like this. This is a panel adapter. We made this specifically for people installing bathroom panels so that they can hold the panels upright, and it supports it. And that also just plugs in the bottom, very heavy duty. We also have something called the universal foot. This comes with all the different adapters to fit on any pipe, and it's a large 6x6 foot. You see it comes standard with the upper hand and the little hand. But if you want to put this on a third hand, you can just buy this extra, and you can do that. But of course, the contractor pack is included because you get all the dust barrier feet, you get all the articulating feet, and you get all the universal feet as well with the third hand contractor pack. So that gives you a nice overview. Now, one of the other things that is really good about the third hand system is it allows you to make dust barriers and magnetic doors. This is our magnetic door system. So check this out, this is our brand new clear one. So you've made a dust barrier, now you want to walk through, and you want to make sure you keep the dust out of your customer's house. It's just like that. So the third hand, you can use it for supporting crown molding, for cabinet. You can do pipe installation, lighting installation, dust barrier. There's so many versatile things you can do. It's just unbelievable. Another really cool accessory is the third hand hanger. So that just goes on there like this. And now you can hang a bucket on there. You can hang your lights on there. You can do anything you want. And of course, it goes anywhere you want. And we've got a nice little tether system here that goes on, and you just put that in there like that, bring it around, and when there's no weight on it, it will support it and keep everything in place really, really nicely, just like that. The bottom line is this is a versatile, robust system that will save you time and money and make work a lot more enjoyable. You're gonna love this product.